Got an AirPods model without a setup button, like AirPods Pro 2nd Gen or AirPods 4th Gen? No worries, resetting them is simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the reset process step by step. Just follow along and you'll have it reset in no time. First of all, put both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds, then open the lid. In the meantime, you can forget the AirPods from your devices. It's optional, but also helpful for a fresh start. So once you have opened the lid of the charging case, you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. So that's how you reset your AirPods without using a button. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.